Mesothelium is a simple squamous epithelium. This preparation is total, means not a slice, but a piece of the peritoneum stretched on a slide and stained with silver impregnation. It turns out that we are looking at the cells from above, so we cannot directly determine their height, or rather the fact that they are flat, but the height of the cells are determined by indirect signs. Capillaries with red blood cells are visible through the epithelium. This indicates that the cells are thin, that is, flat. Other properties of the surface epithelium can also be determined on this preparation. Firstly, the cells lie in a layer, means they fit tightly to each other. There is practically no intercellular substance between them. The boundaries of the cell are well defined here. It can be seen that the cells are polygonal in shape and tightly fitting to each other. Secondly, there are no blood vessels here. Let me remind you that all surface epithelia, or otherwise called the covering or integumentary epithelia, necessarily lie on a layer of loose connective tissue. This is due to the nutrition of the epithelium, which is carried out only diffusely. The basement membrane on which the surface epithelium is located acts as an intermediary between the epithelium and the underlying tissue, and is also necessary to the attachment of the epithelium to the loose connective tissue. So briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine polygonal epithelial cells, nuclei are visible inside, cell boundaries.